Well, it may not seem like it, but winter's not too far off. And I need to get out here and pick some of the tomatoes. I think I'll get the tomatoes out of my upper garden here first. This kept the deer out. So that worked pretty good. Oh, look, there's a cucumber. I thought those are all gone. I guess there's a few left. Yeah, these tomatoes, that was no good. I don't think these tomatoes are much good. They're rotten on the top, so I don't know if Laura can use them at all. But I had bronchitis and wasn't really able to get out here and take care of my stuff. Yeah, it's too bad. I certainly had lots of tomatoes. Oh, these are nice and solid. Gotta pick everything that's ripe here anyway. Scrap the stuff that isn't any good. Oh, look, there's another nice cucumber. Yeah, gotcha. All these are rotten. We'll just pick them off the plant, leave them lay. All these purple ones, I don't know the story behind them. Nothing ever got soft. Stuff here still looks pretty good. I should have brought a knife. Laura's been sick and I've been sick. The tomatoes have gone to waste. But there's still some good tomatoes here for her to can, so she'll do that. Hi, Troop. How you doing, big boy? We'll probably be getting some frost here pretty soon. Don't know anything about these purple tomatoes. How about you, Troop? All right. Okay, I'm gonna move this. Okay, get out of the way. Get out of the way, I want to close this. Come on. Still a few good ones in there. Look at all those tomatoes. Well, I don't think I'll take. So I got some potatoes out here too. Looks like there's some peppers over there. I think those are tomatoes. That's Laura's stuff, so I try to keep my hands off of it. Okay, well, let's take those up the house. All right, well, I just wanted to tell you that the snowmobile season, although it's only September, is actually getting started. So I'll be running the tractor pretty soon, brushing the trails, and they've already been out grading the trails. So, of course, the season doesn't officially open until December, but then usually we don't have snow when it opens here around Grayling. But you never know; we could have snow anytime. So keep watching. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I've taken some shots of some of the work I've been doing around here, and so we'll try to get some video edited and posted online for you. So God bless. See you soon.